morning, guys. What time is it?
9:44.
So we have to get ready. Let's go. Come on. Oh, Daddy's awake. Oh, still sleeping. They're still sleeping. Hey. Getting ready. I get ready so fast, May.
I don't need put on this.
Wow. Bye. On the way to Batu Caves.
Malapit lang naman pala eh.
Say hi.
Hi.
Shades. Sila walang shades. It's a temple.
Isa-isa tayo na.
Taking.
Sige tayo muna.
Go. Lahat na pipicturan.
Meet them, go! Dahil naman nakasama ng pagkain.
Go. One, two. Look, like 360 ako. Kabog. Sino ka, Jorn?
The other one, the white one. There is also the other one.
Diba? Wow, it's a peacock. May peacock. Ang ganda naman.
Look here. How many pictures is it? How many?
Oh, ganda. So pretty. Bes!
Monkey, come.
Oh, lumingon naman siya.
Chika, yes.
Say.
Pwede ba yan sa monkey? Ka mo.
Ah.
Ako din.
Lagyan natin sa may hall. Di ba may base ako doon? Magwalis muna tayo.
Ang init.
Can you hold it? Para siyang, yung evil eye. See, ito siya evil eye. Right? Are you hungry? Okay, napakainit guys. 1 na. Time to eat lunch bago umuwi. Inaamoy pa yung ano.
Masarap sa chicken.
Is it nice? Nothing special.
Put cheese bottom.
Pasko.
Only when put
No.
Let's go to sleep. We're going back home. Yay, I wanna go back down. Oras na 4:21. Stopover. How you get these? I might get ice cream. Can I don't know. Buka.
Come on. Ate.
Famous Venus.
Macadamia ang flavor niya. Macadamia ba?
Ito original isa.
Yan kasi gusto ko macadamia. Maraming flavor yan.
Really? Magkano ice cream? Mag $4 ba? No. Alright guys, it's so traffic. I'm low but my phone's low but traffic and my camera. Guys, so it's almost 1 a.m. and we just reached Singapore. Now we're gonna eat dinner. Were you bored?
Yes.
You were bored. Ang haba ng traffic kasi hindi na kami nakapag-dinner kaya ngayon pala kami magdi-dinner. Grabe, ang late na. 1 a.m. Tapos bukas may pasok pa ako. So sad. So, ayan. Dito lang kami malapit sa amin. And dito na kami magdi-dinner kasi tinatamad na kami sa bahay. Nalobat camera ko.
Ay, meron kayo gusto.
Our late dinner.
Sama ako.
Prata, chicken cutlet for me.
Pwede ba?
Grabe, haggard na. Late na kami nakauwi, mga halos 2:30 na. So, ayun, nagsisettle down na lang ngayon. And then, matutulog na. Sasama ko kayo guys sa school. Sabay-sabay nating tignan kung anong itsura ng classroom natin. Natin? Ko. Ang aga pa, 2:15 pa lang. So, tambay muna tayo. 3:05 pasok ko eh.
Santos, manager of hotels, then they move around. And then you said, you save a lot of money.
Wala naman kaming ginawa ngayon. Ano lang, short lesson, tapos puro chika yung teacher. It's 6:40 and I'm home guys, finally. Yun lang. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our vlog. Bye-bye!